how to deposit money on Fanduel. So here on the official website, we can see this article: while we accept methods from debit cards and online banking, Venmo, Apple Pay, wire transfers, not every option will be available in your state or financial institution. So what you want to do is click on Add Funds on the Fanduel app, and you will be prompted with this screen: choose a deposit method. You can see some quick deposit methods such as online banking, debit card, Apple Pay, Venmo, PayPal, or credit card, and you can choose either of those depending on your state. Another way of how you can deposit is here in the other deposits method section. You can see cash at counter, pay near me, wire transfer, Fanduel, prepaid plus, and gift cards. So you will just choose the deposit method here, and it is going to securely log you in to the different websites. And you just, if you're using debit cards, you just share the number, and that's how you can deposit. It's very easy and very simple. So hope this answers your questions. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.